Hey everyone, this video is showing you how to use a website called Illuminate, a way to take tests for the school. So number one, you go to Info for Students and click on that. And then we scroll down to Illuminate Education and you'll click on that. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. And if you have never used Illuminate, then your username will be your ID and your password will be your ID. And that's, once again, if you've never used it. If you have used it, it might still be ID and then ID. Most likely teachers had you change it to ID and then 1PU. So for my freshmen, start with your ID, so 41234556. Password is 41234556, the exact same thing. And then it'll take you to a page that will make you change your password. If you want to change it to 1PU, change it. If you want to keep it as the ID, keep it. Either way, you will change it. I suggest changing it to a school-related password, not a personal password. Then, once you're in, it'll take you to, or it'll give you a pop-up. Pretty sure every time it'll pop up. And you'll click Continue to Portal. And now you're on your portal for whatever you need. You can always go back to assessments from the past, or most likely taking an assessment. So we'll click on that option, and it'll give you whatever tests you have. These are most likely the very beginning pre-tests and then post-tests. And you'll click on that option. And it'll take you to the test. It's just telling you how long you have, how many questions, what time you're starting it, and you click Continue Test. Here is the test on the left, the bubbles on the right. Once you clicked every single bubble, it'll let you click Finish Test. Right now, if you were to click it, I think it won't let you finish. It also has a pause button, but most of the teachers have given like an amount of pausing, so you can't pause for every question every minute, but maybe you want to pause to use the restroom or get some food, and that's about it. And then once again, you hit Finish Test, and it'll pop up back to something like the original page, and it might tell you your score, or it might just tell you what percentage you got, but not which answers you got wrong, and that's what we'll figure out later with your teacher. So once again, this is the main page for it. You can look up any past tests once you've taken it, and the main goal is take an assessment and click on that test, and then start.